I'm making a smoothie. I have some frozen blueberries, pineapple and mango, my ripe banana, and I'm going to use some plain yogurt. So now to the blender, I'm going to add the yogurt first, not in any specific order. So I'm just going to add the yogurt. I'm going to add the mango and the pineapple, and also the blueberry. And peel my banana. Guys, so there you have it, guys. Nice, thick, refreshing, creamy smoothie, and this is what I'll be having for breakfast. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll catch you in another video. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.